Hey guys, to use an Expedia flight credit, sign into your account and start a new flight search. Gonna hit search right here from Riyadh to Istanbul. And I'm gonna select my favorite, departing flight. Okay. You can choose Turkish Airlines, or in my case, Flynas. Hit select. Okay. I'm gonna select the round trip. I selected round trip, so from Istanbul to Riyadh. Now I have to select from Istanbul to Riyadh. Okay. And I'm gonna hit checkout at the bottom right. And then a discount will be applied on that flight. Okay. So basically that's it, right? So if you want, to change any of the flight settings, you can do that on your own time. But I'm just here to show you that a coupon and a credit or discount or coupons will be applied to your flight, right? If you start to earn more credit on Expedia, right? Or if you use it more often. So add the information at hand. Okay, your name, date of birth, country, territory, and all that stuff, and just complete the booking. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.